bank where the wild time blows, where oxlids and non-embodied grows, quiet or empty, where lust is dry, and sweet must grows in Englandtime. And there, sleeping time, sometime at night, no, and flowers, where death is a delight, and there the snake, through the enamel skin, read wide enough to wrap a berry in. And with the juice of this, I will streak her eyes and make her full of hateful fantasies.